Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Why? Today, we will be discussing the interesting topic of why we fall sick when the weather changes. We have all experienced the common cold or flu during the change of seasons. So, what causes this phenomenon? Is it just a coincidence or is there a scientific explanation behind it? Well, to answer this question, we need to understand how our immune system works. Our body is constantly fighting off germs and viruses to keep us healthy. However, when the weather changes, it can weaken our immune system, making us more vulnerable to illnesses. Let's take a closer look at how weather changes affect our immune system. During the winter months, the cold weather can cause the blood vessels in our nose and throat to constrict. This makes it harder for our body to fight off infections, making us more susceptible to illnesses like the common cold and flu. Similarly, during the summer months, the hot and humid weather can cause us to sweat excessively, which can lead to dehydration. This, in turn, can weaken our immune system, making it harder for us to fight off infections. Another factor that contributes to falling sick during weather changes is the presence of allergens in the air. During the spring season, plants and trees release pollen, which can trigger allergies and cause respiratory problems. In addition to all these factors, changes in the weather can also impact our mood and behavior, which can indirectly affect our immune system. For instance, during the winter months, we tend to spend more time indoors, which increases our exposure to germs and viruses. So, what can we do to stay healthy during weather changes? Well, the key is to maintain a healthy lifestyle. This includes getting enough sleep, eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and exercising regularly. We should also make sure to wash our hands frequently, especially during flu season, and avoid close contact with people who are sick. In conclusion, falling sick during weather changes is a common phenomenon that can be attributed to several factors, including the impact on our immune system, the presence of allergens, and changes in our behavior. However, by maintaining a healthy lifestyle and taking preventative measures, we can reduce our risk of getting sick and stay healthy throughout the year. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this.